Good morning everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 1st of September. ADP signals a healthy pace of jobs growth in August. US jobs growth remained healthy in August according to the ADP employment report for the month. Private sector employers hired 177,000 workers, slightly more than the consensus of 175,000. Meanwhile, July's number was revised up to 194,000 from 179,000 estimated initially. Even though the ADP has not been the most reliable tracker of the non-farm payrolls number lately, these data are consistent with further tightening in the labor market and are likely to increase speculation that the NFP print due out on Friday may also meet its forecast. The current forecast is for non-farm payrolls to have risen by 180,000, less than the 255,000 in July, but still a very solid figure overall. Following 2 months of stellar jobs gains in June and July, another strong report could go along the way in building investors' expectations for a Fed rate hike as early as September. Currently, the market is pricing in a 24% probability for such a move. Considering the latest optimistic signals by many FOMC officials, including Chair Yellen, we expect a robust report to push that probability much higher and thereby add fuel to the dollar's recent rally. Our preferred pair in such a scenario is dollar-yen, which, as we noted before, is likely to continue trending higher over coming weeks on increasing speculation for a potential Fed hike and more Bank of Japan easing at their upcoming gatherings. As for today, during the European day, we get the final market manufacturing PMIs for August from several European countries and the Eurozone as a whole. All of these indices are expected to confirm their preliminary readings, something that could keep the reaction in the euro muted, unless we have notable revisions. In the UK, the manufacturing PMI for August is due to be released. The index is forecast to have increased, but to have remained below the crucial 50 barrier. We share the view that the index may have remained below 50, given the sharp drop in new orders the sector experienced in July, which may hurt output growth. However, the Bank of England's recent stimulus measures may have provided some support to struggling manufacturers and thus offset some of this negative sentiment, thereby causing the index to rise. This could support the pound, at least at the release. In the US, the ISM manufacturing PMI for August is expected to have declined. A modest fall is supported by the preliminary Markit manufacturing PMI, the Richmond Fed, and the Empire State manufacturing indices, all of which declined in August. A marked decline could cause the dollar to give back some of its recent gains, at least temporarily. The final Markit manufacturing PMI is coming out as well, but the market usually pays more attention to the ISM figure. We also get the nation's initial jobless claims for the week that ended on the 26th of August and the final unit labor cost index for the second quarter. From Canada, we get the RBC manufacturing PMI for August, but no forecast is available. We have only one speaker on today's agenda, Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.